Hi everyone, my name is Aide and I am in the Advanced Standing Full-Time Social Work program. I have had some experience working with families and children. This past May I graduated from Westchester with my BSW, and my last field placement was at CHOP in Westchester. So I have had some experience there. This year I will be placed at Winers Partnership Charter School. So I hope to gain more experience with families and children. Although it's not going to be in person, I know that I met my colleagues and the social workers who work in that charter school, so I know that I will have lots of support. My future social work plans are to either become a school social worker or to work in the medical field of social work. I guess if I do end up in if school social work doesn't work, then my ideal job in the medical field would be Children's Hospital Philadelphia. So either one. I know if I find it that with social work, there's a lot of places where we could work. And something that I have been seeing since we have begun classes via Zoom is missing the social interaction. I'm an in-person learner, so I learn more easily in person than looking at a screen for hours. So it's going to be a challenge, but I think I have enough support at the charter school in my classes to become a successful social worker. So I hope to meet everyone and learn from you guys.